In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram direct message not loading. Firstly, if you wanna take over that selection and get solved, you need to get off from your Instagram. Then you need to go on your Play Store and on the search box. Without wasting any time, you need to type for Instagram. And after you got on that selection, what is the more important thing right here? It is by getting know that you have the latest version of Instagram. In this case, as you can see, I don't have any option which is called update. And this is why I know that I have the latest version of Instagram. If you have any option which is for update, you need to go and get it because there are so many new features which are available on the last session, on the last version, also on your Instagram selection. After you get done with that selection, you can get out from here and you can go on your settings selections on your phone, then go for applications, and on the search box you need to type for Instagram and go for it. And after you get right here on that selection, as you can see, you're going to be available to uninstall the application and then reinstall it back. But I need to mention that if you have iPhone, you're going to be available to go on offload application, which is much more easier to get back and reinstall the application without any waiting any time.